दिस वीडियो इज ओनली फॉर दो स्टूडेंट्स हु वैल्यू टाइम, जिनको टाइम की कदर है, जो जल्दी से जल्दी अपनी आइल्स खत्म करना चाहते हैं एंड दे वांट टू गो टू देयर ड्रीम कंट्री. Because I'm going to teach you one story by which you can answer every single cue card in the entire universe. Yes, in the entire universe. And in just 2 hours, I can teach you every single cue card. और सिर्फ 3-4 दिन बाद आप फील करोगे दैट यू आर रेडी फॉर दिस एग्जाम, और आप अपना सारा फोकस बाकी मॉड्यूल्स पे कर सकते हो, रीडिंग, राइटिंग एंड लिसनिंग, क्योंकि स्पीकिंग तो आपकी 3-4 दिन में खत्म हो जाएगी. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट, इफ एनीवन कैन प्रूव दैट माय स्टोरी फेल्स फॉर इवन अ सिंगल टॉपिक, ये पैसे पड़े हैं, आप मेरे से यूपीआई ले लेना, चाहे आप मेरे इंस्टीट्यूट आके मुझसे कैश ले लेना. अब मैं आपको बताता हूं वो स्टोरी विद एन एग्जाम्पल. In order to create story, there are 12 things by which you can answer everything. आपको इनका combination use करना है and you can answer every single cue card in the entire universe. एक बार मैं आपको brief में बता दूं वो 12 चीजें क्या है. The first is technology, next is camera, third is sports and exercise, fourth is social media, next is movies, sixth is famous person, seventh is brother who is PR in Canada, a random person who knows everything, hobbies, for example drawing, painting, singing, environment, and lastly loving it or hating it. With the combination of this you can answer everything. अब मैं आपको एग्जांपल से समझाता हूं कैसे. So let's say the question is, talk about your favorite photograph. What is this photograph? Who clicked this photograph? Why you like this photograph? So this is the question. The first step will remain same for every single cue card, and that is finding the keyword. In this topic, the keyword is photograph. Step 2 is 3 to 4 lines of introduction on the keyword, क्योंकि starting करना बहुत difficult होता है बहुत बच्चों के लिए. So if you have the keyword, it is very easy to start. So you can say photographs capture the moment and eternalize it forever. As photography is my hobby, I love clicking pictures whenever I visit a new place and also during special events. Here I would like to talk about my favorite photograph, which is hung on the wall of my room, and it is the picture with my favorite singer Diljit Dosanjh, and it is the first thing that anyone notices when they enter in my room. So the step 2 is also over. Now step 3 is you have to call your brother. Last year my brother, who lives in Canada, he came to India after 4 years to surprise me on my 25th birthday. To celebrate my birthday, we planned to go to Club Cabana, which is a 5-star hotel. So step 3 is also over, calling your brother. The next step is calling a famous person. As we were enjoying our meal, suddenly I saw Diljit Dosanjh entering the Cabana hotel. He is a very famous Punjabi singer and actor. I am a big fan of him. I became very excited. Sensing my excitement, my brother went to talk to him and politely asked him to join us. To my surprise, he agreed. When Diljit came to know that it was my birthday, he hugged me and wished me, which made my birthday extra special. Then we had dinner together, and when the waiter bought the cake, we cut the cake together. As he was about to leave, I thanked him for making my birthday extra special. During that time, my brother clicked many pictures, but in one picture, Diljit was hugging me, and it became my favorite photograph. Next day, I decided to frame that picture and hung it in my bedroom. Now, the last step is loving it. This photo is now extra special for me as I'm a big fan of Diljit and it was my dream to meet him. Fortunately, my dream turned into reality on my birthday, and I also uploaded that photograph on social media. It went viral. It got hundreds of likes. Even Diljit liked that picture. So this is my favorite photograph and I loved it, and every single person also appreciated this. So with this story, you can answer every single cue card in the entire universe. अब जिन लोगों का वर्किंग माइंड है, जो हर चीज को बिलीव नहीं करते, विच इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग, और वो जानना चाहते हैं कि हाउ दिस स्टोरी विल वर्क फॉर अदर टॉपिक्स, तो आपको सिंपली क्या करना है, जस्ट टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर इट विद मी ऑन माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज. उसके बाद आप मेरे साथ एक फ्री सेशन लो फॉर जस्ट 5 to 10 minutes, एंड उसके बाद दो चीजें होंगी, या तो आपके स्पीकिंग में बैंड्स आ जाएंगे, या तो मैं आपको ये पैसे दे दूंगा. यू हैव नथिंग टू लूज. और फिर भी जो लोग ये वीडियो को इग्नोर करेंगे, यू गाइज डोंट वांट टू लर्न एनीथिंग एंड यू डोंट इवन वांट टू अर्न एनीथिंग. यू विल लिव एंड डाई एज एन NPC. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.